Hi everyone, my name is Sindhu. I'm from Bangalore. Currently I'm working in banking domain. I do have 13 years of experience. I was struggling to change my job. Because of my communication problem, I could not able to crack any interview at all. So because of Bijoy sir, one-to-one coaching and 2x program helped me a lot. In the one-to-one, he given so many guidelines. I followed the same method. So with his help, in the same year, twice, I got a good hike and I got a job in one of my dream company with the regular shifts only because of Bijoy sir one-to-one coaching. I'm so happy being part of this a great community, a great PIM community. So with this community, I improved a lot and I disciplined myself. Not only in the professional front, even he helped me in the personal front too. He is guiding me to take care of my parenting process. With his help, I am learning new things. So only because of his one-to-one coaching helped me a lot. Thank you so much, sir, helping us to be improve ourselves and every day. Only because of you, I am here today. I am so lucky part of this a great community. Only because of this community, I can able to say, I proudly say that I got a very good job which I could not able to imagine myself. So only because of you. So once again, thank you so much. Bye everyone.